So I spent some time with the Canon VIXIA G70, and honestly, this thing feels like a camcorder made for people who actually shoot events. If you're filming weddings, sports, school concerts, or wildlife, the 20x optical zoom is the star here. It gets insanely close without losing sharpness, and the stabilization is surprisingly smooth handheld. I also love the classic camcorder feel: physical buttons, manual lens ring, built-in ND filter, dual SD card slots. It's just fast and reliable. No messing around with lenses or complicated setups. Video quality is solid too: crisp 4K, nice color, and decent slow motion in 1080p. But here's the catch: this is not really a creator-first camera. There's no Wi-Fi, file transfers feel outdated, and low-light performance gets noisy because of the smaller sensor. So if you're a vlogger or TikTok creator, honestly, a modern mirrorless camera, or even a flagship phone, might make more sense. But if you want a dependable all-in-one camcorder that just works, the G70 is still one of the best options around $1,000.